the life that I didn't live. I was conceived on a certain day of December. Until the first month, my mother wasn't quite sure of my existence. But from the second month, my mother already knew that I had life. In the first days, I didn't care, thinking that it was product of the gestation of my mother. But then after I realized that strange forces were trying to defeat me, with a lot of sacrifice, I got over that phase and made it to the third month. The days were passing, and when I was with 4 months, my mother was pronouncing terrible words, said that she wanted to get rid of me. And for that she took a certain medicine, trying to eliminate me. I already had won the first battle, but I didn't have strength enough to fight the one that I loved. My breathing was getting hampered until I got completely vanquished. My mother took my life, a life that I didn't even get to meet. Oh, my mommy, why did you take me off your belly and put me on this? You stabbed me with your own feet. Why did you hamper my breathing? But you know, here on heaven today, it's Children's Day. My friends asked for a gift and they got it, but mine didn't came. Someone said that each person on earth has a star on the sky. And the more good this person is on earth, the more shiny the star will be. However, mommy, your star is dark. Is that because of the tears I'm tearing down on her are taking off its brightness? Would that be it? I asked God to forgive your mother, but he still didn't.